Hello guys, consider this set of data which is being present in front of me. So in my shop, in our shop Big Bazaar, t-shirt, polo shirt, formal shirt and party shirt has been priced at some rupees, and there are some name of the purchaser, and their billed amount is the based on the type of shirt they have purchased. Now our goal is to find out which of the following variant means t-shirt, polo shirt, out of all these four variants which are being shown in my screen, which of the variants are being sold mostly in Big Bazaar. So to find out this, we will be using a function. The name of the function is mode, and then we will be selecting more. Okay, so let me again press mode, and we'll be selecting this option mode single, and then we'll be selecting the range of cells. From this range of cells, it will be finding out which of the data set are present mostly. So let me close the braces and press enter. So it's 589 is being, according to the data set, 589 means formal shirt has been sold mostly. Now to tally whether the data which Excel is showing up is appropriate or not, we will be selecting this range of cells, and I will be going to sort and filter, and then we will be going to the custom sort, and then sort by build amount from smallest to largest, or maybe yeah, okay, smallest to largest, then press OK. So let me see the occurrences. So whenever I am selecting this 3190, there are 4 199s and there are 299. So in the status bar it is showing count is 6, and for the 589 the count is 8. See here in the status bar, in wherever I am moving my cursor, it is showing count 8. So the data which Excel has populated is being shown appropriately and correctly. So this is let me press F2 one more time and to show you the name of the formula. So we can use the mode dot single function to find out from a range of cells the most occurrence of a certain value. So I have demonstrated the practical implication of this particular function and how practice it on your own, guys. Hope you have liked it. Thank you guys, and happy coding.